Live from Xenia, Ohio, it's Dayton Hamvention. Second stop on the second annual HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Stick around. Good morning, folks, or good afternoon, whatever time you're watching us. And welcome once again to Xenia, Ohio, and the Greene County Fairgrounds for Hamvention 2026. This is the final day, so we're going to go up here. Luckily, my fancy old green badge, it allows me to line jump. So we're going to line jump and go ahead and get in there and see what we can find. So been working with Tunematic. I purchased a Tunematic light controller for the new Tar Heel on my truck, and I can't get the thing to work. I've changed it. I've done all kinds of different things to it. But it keeps popping fuses over and over and over and over and over again. I even changed the fuse box, or the fuse cylinder. Just not getting it. So anyway, we're gonna go talk to them, try to get them to swap that out, and who knows, maybe we'll get another big deal of some sort. We'll see on the inside. Alright, guys, figured we'd walk through the boneyard and see what kind of deals are still available. Get away from that copyright music. So I'm still looking for a replacement amplifier. Don't know if we're gonna find it yet or not. Hey, I know that truck right there. I already see things have tightened down. A lot of people are already out of here. So you know what? That means, I don't know why I pushed the end recording button. It means the deals are about to start, or have already started. So on Sundays, the show ends at 1 o'clock. It is now 10:34. So we'll come through here and see what kind of deals we can get on things. So I can't express to y'all how thin the boneyard is on this Sunday morning. We did get a good thunderstorm overnight here in the Xenia, Ohio, Dayton area. And I'm wondering if perhaps that drew things down a little bit. So it's hard to say. Hard to say. So far, you know, I don't plan to make this video super long. So far, I've not seen anything but a bunch of old, overpriced stuff. Nothing that's made me want to try to haggle, make a deal kind of thing. Or it's a bunch of Motorola stuff, that too. Okay. The dog track was a bust. Nothing real out there. You can see out here in front of the commercial vendors area, there's still a good concentration of stuff out here, but it has also thinned out quite substantially. I really do think the weather yesterday and early this morning, maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, I think that there was that's kind of driven some folks away, so that's unfortunate. But day one was a great day here. I think a lot of people made a lot of money. A lot of people going home happy. So we're just kind of scrolling through, seeing what we can find. Score. I was able to get a Nano VNA. That's something I needed. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this trip and this edition of Dayton Hamvention 2026. What a great time. Just recapping some of the things that we have seen. Really no new radios released here for this particular event. ICOM did show us and have us a working model to play with of the new 5200, the long-awaited 5200. And then we also got to see a shape form factor of the X026 from ICOM. A lot of speculation is that's going to be a replacement for the 7100. So we'll just have to see. That's just speculation. That's nothing official from Ray or anybody there at ICOM. Quick list of the purchases I made. I've got my R-Finder B1. I did pick up a Nano VNA in the Boneyard. I've been wanting one of those. I also got a what's that thing called? Tar Heel. I got a little Tar Heel for the truck. It's a screwdriver antenna. And got a Tunematic controller to go with it. So really exciting stuff. I'm grateful to have the opportunity. And I wouldn't be able to come to events like Dayton Hamvention if it wasn't for you. So if you want to support HamShackTV, you can become a channel member down below. You should see a join button next to the subscribe button, or you can do super thanks down in the comments. So again, thank you so much for your support. Want to say a quick shout out again to Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Both companies, well, they're one company, but two separate entities. Both of them have stepped up to the plate. This is the second year in a row they've sponsored the HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. We can't thank them enough. It would not be possible without them either. If you're looking to get your ham radio license or maybe upgrade to tech or to general or extra, Ham Radio Prep makes it quick and easy, and they're so confident they can help you pass your ham radio exam. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details and use coupon code HamShackTV. You get 10% off. They're already great prices. It's hamradioprep.com. Maybe you've already got all your licenses too. World Radio League, great logging software. Love what they've got, and it's fantastic. Free to use. There's a free account. You can log in, make your logs, and enjoy it, and actually deal with something that looks like it was made this century, not something from old like Windows 8 or 95 or something like that. This is modern looking software. Desktop app has recently been released. They've got cat control, all kinds of good stuff coming, especially the integration of cat control in the desktop app. But again, free to use, free to try. That's worldradioleague.com. There are some premium features. If you want to subscribe for those, I can get you a discount of 10%. Just use coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, 10% off. And the memberships to World Radio League, cheap. Even with my discount, they're cheap as well. So again, thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Jump down in the comments. Are you looking forward to Huntsville? Are you coming to Huntsville? The third and final stop on the second annual 2026 HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. We'll see you in the next one. I'm heading home. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.